You're in the blog.
He's an amazing photographer. Hi.
Yeah.
How's it going, Nature Links?
And just.
So,
Hey,
yeah.
Sebastian.
Hi.
What it's called.
What is it?
I have no idea. I gotta look it up on my sheet. I know what a lot of them are, but not all of them. And these are all mostly natives, except for the hibiscus. It's like a rock rose. Hey, Jenna. This is the kind of orchid called a Brassavola nodosa. It's one of my favorites. Isn't that pretty?
Yep.
It's crazy, right? You don't see that every day.
No.
These are what
You
kind
guys
of
hear that? Brassavola.
cauliflower.
Daisy.
He is like an amazing orchid scientist, and he taught me a lot of stuff.
So he's an amazing man.
Jungle.
He's an amazing inspiration.
Fairchild.
He's like a mentor and a hero of mine.
We haven't gone
And
to
the other
Check this out.
day went
Smell
to
this.
the.
This is the chocolate encyclia.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
There's not a lot of fragrant
To,
orchids.
Do I miss Joffrey?
He'll be here soon, right?
Yeah.
You're
Yay.
back on the.
Would they land like the eggs in there? Yeah.
We're getting close to that.
Who's this, I wonder?
Me.
Want to be
It's
gentle?
in really good shape.
Dump the pot out.
So I
Pot out here?
think.
So put all this here.
Yeah, and then just dump that out.
Josh, do you see that giant encyclia back? Go this way. And then you got that side? Awesome.
This is
Great. Oh man, I miss you guys too. I'm so happy you're here today. It's really exciting. Let's take. Hey Josh,
Josh.
can these go side? They can go on the side of a tree, right? On and up. Awesome.
What?
And what we're doing is really we're giving these butterflies a chance because they're not because they're being taken as caterpillars and raised by Frankie. They are protected from predators, so they don't get eaten
They
by
need
wasps
to fry.
or birds.
Oh, you hungry?
Find your way in the photo.
Guys,
Yeah. What is